I welcome to all on the course of refrigeration and air conditioning. I am Prabhupada Senapati, lecturer in mechanical department. Today I am going to start to explain about the summer air conditioning system. The first I will explain different parts you are using in the summer air conditioning system, and second part the working principle of the summer air conditioning system. So first, here the summer air conditioning system consists of damper, filter would remove the dust, cooling coil, humidifier, heating coil, fan. These are the equipment you are using in the summer air conditioning system. So let's start the working principle. It is summer air conditioning system. It is an important type of air conditioning system in which the air is cooled, generally dehumidified. So when the outside air flow to the damper, which is obtained from the conditioner space, and it mixes with the recirculated air. The mixed air pass through the filter to remove the dust or the dirty particle or any harmful bacteria. Now after that, the air passes through the cooling coil, and the coil has a temperature much below the drivable temperature of the air in the conditioner space. The cool air passes through the perforated membrane and loses the moisture in the condensed form, which is collected in the sump. After that, the air has to made to pass through the heating coil, which heats the air slightly. It is how the air is brought to design to drivable temperature and relative humidity. Now the conditioner air is supplied to the conditioner space through the fan. The conditioner space apart from the used air and is adjusted to the atmosphere by the exhaust fan or the ventilator, and the remaining part of air is used, known as the recirculated air, is again conditioned and shown in the above picture, and this process is repeated. So the outside air is sucked and made to mix with the recirculated air to make up the loss of conditioned air through the exhaust fan or the ventilated from the conditioner space, and this process is repeated. So this is how the summer air conditioning system work. So this is all about the summer air conditioning. Let's start the another winter air conditioning. The winter air conditioning, first part, the winter air conditioning consists of damper, then filter, where you have to filter the dusted particle, then preheater, heating the substance air, then humidifier, reheating coil, and the fan. Let's start the working principle. The winter air conditioning system, the air is heated, which is generally accompanied by the humidification. The summer air conditioner attached with the dehumidification, and it is attached to the humidification. because the winter time the conditioner space have less humidity. For that reason here you have to humidify. Now come to the working principle. As you can see in the picture, when the outside air flow through the damper and mix with the recirculated air, which is obtained through the condenser space, and this mixed air pass through the filter to remove the dust or the impurities or any bacteria. Now the air is passed through the preheater coil to prevent the possible freezing of water and control the evaporation of water in the humidifier. After that, the air is allowed to pass through the reheater coil to bring the air to design to the dryable temperature. The conditioner air is supplied to the conditioner space through the fan. Here fan is attached, so it will supply this air to the conditioner space. Apart from the used air is exhaust to the atmosphere by the exhaust fan or the ventilator, and the remaining part of the air known as the recirculated air, again it is passed through the conditioner space by mixing with the outside air to make the loss of conditioner air through the exhaust or the ventilator from the conditioner space. So this is how the summer air conditioning is working. So already I explained this part. Let's come to the working application in this winter air conditioning. Generally in the India you are not using the winter air conditioning, where the winter air conditioning we are using where the temperature is maximum time the cold environment. So let's start the application. The winter air conditioning mainly used to convert the cold air into the hot air, and this winter air conditioning, it is like a warmer increase the temperature of the room during the winter season, and especially you are suitable where the winter season is throughout the year, or 7 months 6 months winter season is there. In that case winter air conditioning you are using to increase the temperature of the room, and the winter air conditioning also used in the industry area where you want to increase the temperature of that product and also maintain that temperature for long time. So these are the special application for the winter air conditioning system. Let's come to the advantage. The first advantage of the winter air conditioning system, the winter air conditioning system, when the outside temperature is low and you are feeling the discomfort, human body comfortable temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. The winter time the weather condition may be 8 degrees Celsius or 10 degrees Celsius. At that time you are feeling discomfort. So what you have to do, you have to heating the air. So for that purpose you are using the winter air conditioning system. The winter air conditioning system maintain the hot temperature inside the room during the winter season, and it is also distribute the proper amount of heat in the surrounding area also. And this winter air conditioning also increases the humidification. In the winter air conditioning, the surrounding there is less amount of less amount of moisture. That's why in the winter time you observe in the body crack is there. For that reason you have to humidify. So winter air conditioning is suitable for that. Let's come to the disadvantage of winter air conditioning system. The main disadvantage here, that winter air conditioning system only you can use in the winter season, and we can perform in the cooling operation. Only you have to using for heating operation to increase the temperature of the room. We can't use this winter air conditioning to cool the room temperature. This is the main disadvantage. Second disadvantage, there is no use of winter air conditioning like a hot region like in India, Rajasthan. The Rajasthan, that is a hot region, so we can't use that this type of winter air conditioning. So dual operation air conditioner can be used for all season, that is known as the year round air conditioner. The year round air conditioner we can use in the summer time also for cooling and dehumidification, and also for winter time heating and humidification. But the specially only winter air conditioning, it is not suitable for hot region. So the winter air conditioning in the winter air conditioner market is less. Especially in India, you are not using the winter air conditioning system. The winter air conditioning system mostly used in the foreign country where the temperature nearly equal to 0 degree Celsius or 10 degree Celsius or below 0 degree Celsius most of the days. So the winter air conditioning is not suitable for India. For India, mostly you are using the summer air conditioning. So this is all about the summer air conditioning system and the winter air conditioning system. So here your chapter 7 is completed. Thank you to all.